revive and you can redeploy.
Hello guys, I'm coming back to you live from the Gulag, and today I wanted to talk about the results from my previous strategy. So I have the Telegram application open right now. Let's go ahead and click our bot. This is the bot to where it's gonna send us messages for every buy that the computer makes. Every time the bot buys, you'll see that it's buying it, and then the amount of how much it's buying and how many dollars. So $50 for each trade. And then when it sells, it also lets you know when it sells, the sell reason. So this was ROI. It hit one of the ROI targets. The duration was 1 hour, and the profit was 3.41%, which is very good for a trade. And then here we have a sell. It hit our stop loss with a negative 4.38%, which is bad, but don't worry because that's all part of making money. I actually gonna go ahead and click right here, /profit. The computer is gonna gather data. Now it shows me all the closed trades, all the trades that are still open, and the total profit amount. It says the total trade count, which is 542 trades. The first trade was open exactly 1 week ago. This is day 7 of the recording. And the last trade was open an hour ago. We got 343 wins with 159 losses. And the average duration for each trade is about 10 hours, 21 minutes. The best performing trade was for 21.93%. So when you see here, it says closed trades, and it says how much money I've made, $142. And it says here that 285 sum profit. The reason why it says I made 285% sum profit is because each trade is risking $50. So $50 times 300% would be $150, and well, it's a little bit under $150, but we have 285, which is very good because you're risking $50 on each trade, and 7 days later you have $150. You just tripled your money, in other words. So I wanted to talk a little bit about the features here. So it says /daily. We'll go ahead and click that. It's going to show for every day. We got yesterday. Oh, this is actually today, September 30th. And then we got September 29th, 28th, 27th, 26th. Shows all the trades that have been made. The most trades were made on the 25th. We got 114 trades going on there. Our worst day was on the 27th. We lost negative $46, but it's okay. We're slowly making that profit back up. And this shows the balance of the account, which the balance is now at $10,131. The status for each trade. This is unbelievable. It keeps track of everything. So we have here, it says each trade that's currently going on, what percentage that's at, if it's at a negative or it's at a positive currently, and these are all open trades. The status table shows everything the status has, but in a cleaner version. So these are all our open trades right now. And then we got performance tab. These are all the closed trades. So the other one was open trades. These are the closed trades. And you can see all, the very top is all your best winners. So we have the Tomo with 21%, and it had about 7 trades. So this strategy really works great on Tomo. And then it just currently goes down, down. See all these good profits here. Oh man, that's amazing. And then slowly goes down to our losses. Our losses are very minimal. It shows our biggest loser is FTM with a negative 12% on 6 trades, and NEO as well. If you feel like these are holding you down, you could always go ahead and take these pairs off your whitelist so you don't have to trade these anymore. I'm going to go to the help. I wanted to show you all the extra features. You could stop your trader. You could start it all over again if you need to. You can calculate how much trades you have, the profit. You could force sell if you feel like a trade just never got out in time. You could just go ahead and do force sell and then put the number of the trade, and that would actually just sell that trade so you don't lose any more money. And we got delete. So if you want to delete a trade that wasn't working correctly, like number 72, you could actually put /delete 72 and it'll go ahead and get rid of it. We have so much features here, and the last one I wanted to show you was actually show config. So this talks about the strategy. We see that the exchange is on Binance. Every stake per trade is $50 US. Max open trades is infinite, so it could do as many trades as it likes. We have the minimum ROI set up in here, so it tells us exactly once it hits 3% to get out within 296 minutes, and if it hits 2%, you get out at 596 minutes, which is awesome. The ask strategy parameters are in here, and the bid strategy parameters if you want to change those. We got our stop loss set at 4%, so that's the most we could lose on these trades. The time frame is on 5 minute, and we're running the strategy that I had mentioned in our last video. Well guys, with that being said, I just want to let you know that the strategy is functioning, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe.